What lies ahead of us and what lies behind us are small matters compared to what lies within us. And when you bring what is within out into the world, miracles happen. These last few days I've been in a pretty massive creative rut. My drive, inspiration, and motivation have seemed to disappear almost entirely, and all I've wanted to do is lie in my bed and stare into the abyss. It's been really tough because I've really been beating myself up over it and kind of falling into this black hole of negativity as my momentum kind of wisps away into the distance. I've experienced it before, as I'm sure many of you can relate to, where we fall into these times of low motivation and we are just brutal on ourselves. And there are certain tools and strategies I use to climb out one hand and one foot at a time, and I wanted to talk about those, and maybe they can help you when you fall into a rut, or if you're watching this and you're in one right now. I think it's really important when we feel this way to give our minds a break, to give our brains a break. Sometimes when we're in a rut, it's because we're trying to force ourselves to be productive when what we really need is rest. There's a spiritual YouTuber named Ralph Smart, Infinite Waters. I'm sure many of you know who that is. And he talked about this analogy. When you're depressed, it's a sign that you need deep rest. And it's something that I relate to, as I've gone through bouts of depression in the past and tried to force myself to continue and take action when what I really needed was rest, was deep rest. And I think it's important when we're in these times to give ourselves a kind of vacation day. And if you have a 9-to-5 job, that might have to be on the weekend, but just a day or 2 days where you would do what you would normally do on vacation, which is just chill out, enjoy yourself, maybe order some food in, put a movie on, put the fireplace on and pretend that you're in a cabin, and just allow yourself to forget about your problems, about your stresses, about being productive, and it allows your mind the chance to reset. Another thing that may seem obvious, but few of us do when we're in a rut, is to exercise, because usually when we're in a rut, it's in our minds. We're thinking negatively about life or about ourselves, and it's easy to fall down that rabbit hole and be totally consumed by it. And exercise may seem obvious, but how many of us do it when our minds are screaming no? It's so crucial because it allows us to get out of our minds and into our bodies. It allows us to redirect our focus. We're now focused on our breathing technique. We're focused on the inhale and the exhale. If you're on a run, you're focused on one foot in front of the other. You're focused on your breathing as well. And it's really important not to get lost in our thoughts during this time, because of course, even if you're exercising, you could still be consumed in your thoughts. But if we're focused on our workout, on that next rep, on that next set, it allows our minds to refresh, and we can use that dopamine, that serotonin, to get us back into feeling the way that we like to feel, into feeling more of ourselves. And something that I need to practice in my own life, and I'm gonna sound very hypocritical for saying this, is to forgive yourself, is to not beat yourself up like I've been doing the last few days, and just say, like, look, Jackson, or whoever you are, insert name here, it's okay that you're feeling this way. It's okay that you're gonna take a few days off to reset, to relax. It's okay that you're feeling down, that you're feeling negative, and then do those things like exercise and giving yourself a break to fully forgive yourself and move forward. Because we can stay in these ruts for weeks, months sometimes, and that's what really leads into depression, is when we never climb out of it and we are completely consumed by that negativity. So give these things a try. Exercise, give yourself a break, stay at home vacation, and remember something that I need to remember myself is to forgive yourself. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop it a big fat like and make sure to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you and you and you in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.